YouTube, yo, let's get straight to it. Who y'all know got the owner's manual to their motherfucking classic? Yes, that's this 1973 Chevrolet Impala owner's manual. Yes, it is. Just put some spark plugs in this bad boy. Yes, I did it myself. AC Delco rapid fire. It's 8 spark plugs total. Four spark plugs on each side. Did it myself. Let's turn this sucker on, see how it sounds. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna turn it on, see how it sounds. Hold on. Turn it over. And there it goes. Like I said, freshly spark plugs, AC Delco rapid fire. Put them in there myself. Took like probably what? Took me an hour. It's probably a 20-30 minute job, but you know, my shit, my car. I like taking my time on things, making sure they're right. You know, I rush it, you rush it, you might fuck up. So, but me, you know, on my car, I have to always take my time on this car. Never rush anything. Burn like a cat. Hear these flow masters here in the back. You hear them pipes. That's why that motherfucker's supposed to sound. That's how you know you put the spark plugs in there right. Motherfucker back here breathing. All it is just flow masters, and I got like a little monster cam in here. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all. Put them plugs in. I got my booklet here. Owner's manual. I got this maybe. How did I get this ornamentals? Probably got this. I think I had it. I got this ornamentals. I had this for a while. Brand new owner's manual, y'all. Shit, I think I done had it probably what? 6 years, 7 years. But yeah. If you got a rebuilt motor, 350 motor rebuilt, and you change it to electronical ignition, use AC Delco rapid fire spark plugs. Best spark plugs for it. They already come pre-gap. I know you probably watched some other YouTube videos, or you know, your friends, or heard some people saying, yeah, you know, they come pre-gap, you still gotta check them. Nah, I didn't check them. I just threw them in there, and this motherfucker's fine, ain't missing or nothing. So I mean they already come pre-gap, so if the gapping's off, it's not gonna be off much. And when you gap them yourself, to me, I don't think you really can get the gapping on there perfectly anyway. You ain't gonna never get the gapper, ain't gonna be perfect. You think it's perfect, that shit ain't perfect. Just because you use a gapper, that shit ain't perfect. But yeah, there you go, man. If you got a classic too, you gotta know how to do a lot of stuff yourself, man. Because a lot of these motherfuckers will overcharge you doing shit, or you know, lot of motherfuckers say they know it, but they don't. There's a lot of dudes out there don't know the classics. But yeah, all right, y'all. Peace.